Hi guys, I came again. We'll talk today about motivation. Motivation is the key of success. If you want to success in your life, you have to get motivated from someone. There are many ideal person in the world. You have to choose one of them, and you have to do study on that person. You have to do research on that person. When you get to when you do study and when you research on that person, that time you will get motivated from that person. So I'm going to tell you guys the motivational poem. That poem is written by Japanese poet, the poem of La Mancha. To dream the impossible dream. जो सपना सच नहीं हो सकता वो सपना तुम्हें देखना है. Because nothing is impossible in the world. You have to make diligence for that. To fight with unbeatable foe. To fight with unbeatable foe means जो शत्रु को किसी ने आज तक हराया नहीं, उस शत्रु के साथ तुम्हें फाइट करनी है. If you want to fight that person, you have to make a plan. When you make plan, then you can fight with that person and you will get success. You will get success with that fight. To bear with unbearable sorrow. जो दर्द किसी ने सहा नहीं, उस दर्द को तुम्हें सहना है. So there is one song. इस दुनिया में कितना गम है, मेरा गम कितना कम है. जिसको देखो उसके पास है दर्द भरी की कहानी. If you think like that, your sorrow is little sorrow than others. That time you can bear your sorrow. To run where brave dare not to go. जहाँ पे शूरवीर लोग जाने की कोशिश नहीं करते, वहाँ पे तुम्हें जाना है. If you want to reach that place, you have to fight. When you fight with your problems, when you fight with your difficulties, that time you can reach that place. To try when your arms are too weary. जब तुम्हारे हाथ पैर थक गए हैं और तुम चल भी नहीं पा रहे, उस टाइम पे तुम्हें एवरेस्ट को पार करना है. So it will be happen when you get motivated. So you have to study about your ideal person, how he deal with the typical situation. You have to make study how he did work in the difficult situation. When you learn about that situation, when you study about that situation, you can reach out that problem and you can solve that problem and you can reach Everest also. To reach that unreachable star, that is my quest. To follow that star, no matter how place, no matter how far. मुझे उस जगह पे जाना है जहाँ पे कोई नहीं गया है, और यही मेरी जिद है. इसके लिए मुझे खुद को बदलना पड़ेगा तो भी चलेगा, और मंजिल कितनी भी दूर क्यों ना हो, आई एम रेडी टू फाइट विद दैट. आई एम रेडी टू फाइट विद माई प्रॉब्लम्स. आई एम रेडी टू फाइट विद एनी प्रॉब्लम्स. आई एम रेडी टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर माई सक्सेस. When you think that life, you will win. Fight for the right without question, without pause. If you want to success in your life, you must be narrow-minded. If you want success in your life, you have to fight against your problem. When you fight against your problem, the problem get resolved. When the problem is get resolved, then you will be success in your life. Willing to be marched into the hell for heavenly cause. Marginal जायची तयारी आहे, पण त्याला कारण स्वर्गीय असले पाहिजे. I am ready to go into the hell, but the region should be holy reason. जर तुमचं कार्य चांगलं असेल तर तुम्हाला नरकात जर गेलं, there also you will get respect. So your work should be holy work. When you do something from your by heart, then you will get success. So motivation is the most important key of success. So choose your ideal person, make study about that person, do research on that person, and get a conclusion about that person, how he deal with the difficult situation, how he faced the problems of his life. So when you do study about that things, you will get success in your life. That's it. Thanks for watching. Do like